one of the most popular songs back in the 1860s. Hard times come again no more. Let's see. Let us pause in